The 2026 Osaka Motorcycle Show served as the technical battleground for Honda's most significant mid-capacity pivot in a decade, the revitalization of the 400cc Inline-4 platform by debuting the CB400 Super 4 and the CBR400R4. At the heart of both machines is a newly engineered 399cc DOHC liquid-cooled inline-4 engine. Technical briefings at the show suggest a primary focus on internal friction reduction and thermal efficiency. The engine utilizes high-pressure die-cast crankcases and lightweight pistons to achieve a projected redline north of 14,500 RPM. Unlike the discontinued VTEC-equipped versions, this new power plant relies on precision-tuned intake tracts and advanced EFI mapping to deliver a linear power band, estimated to produce between 56 and 59 horsepower. The most provocative technical inclusion is the Honda e-clutch system, featured on both concept models. This system integrates an electronic actuator unit into the traditional manual gearbox, allowing for seamless gear changes and starts from a standstill without the rider needing to modulate the clutch lever. Unlike a full dual-clutch transmission, the e-clutch is lighter and retains a physical cable-actuated lever, giving the rider the choice between automated convenience and manual tactile control. This system works in tandem with an updated ride-by-wire throttle, enabling multiple riding modes and a refined Honda selectable torque control suite, all controlled via a 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity. Chassis and suspension components have seen a significant upgrade to match the increased engine performance. Both the naked and faired variants utilize a high-tensile steel diamond frame paired with 41mm Showa SFF BP upside-down front forks, offering superior damping characteristics during aggressive braking. The braking system itself has been modernized with dual 296mm discs gripped by radial-mounted 4-piston calipers, a massive leap over the axial setups found on older 400cc models. For the CBR400R4 specifically, the fairing design incorporates integrated winglets to optimize high-speed stability and radiator airflow.